Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to roll back to a previous version of Elementor, and basically if you are experiencing some loading problems, you may want to go to a previous rollback version. So just try to open up the Elementor. If it doesn't load up, this may be a problem. So now on Elementor, we want to find Tools section, and here we will find what we need. Now you're going to click version control, and now if you are experiencing some issues with this version, you can roll back to a previous one and before this issue was appeared for you. So basically all you have to do is go ahead and choose a older version and now reinstall it and try to open up Elementor, and it should fix your problem. So if this video, just don't forget to save the changes. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.